Show you all the trading strategy that I've been using for years. Now, I'm a trader of nearly 10 years, and one of the biggest things I see when you see these massive liquidation events, i.e. when price absolutely tanks through the floor, is what we call as a horseshoe formation. So I learned this one really early on in my crypto trading career, but I want to show you guys this because a lot of the times what happens is you get these really big large dumps and you get these retracements up. Now these retracements might be up to 20%, but ultimately what I found in the past is despite the fact that you get these retracements back up, you typically start to get a retest of that initial low. So I want to show you guys what this looks like on the chart so you can make sense of it. So right here, I've got XRP, and on the other side here, I have Bitcoin. Two things that I'm looking at in both of these charts that are exactly the same is A, you can see the large drop on XRP. They're followed up by the retracement. Now I've highlighted in here yellow how I expect this to potentially play out. So I expect price to come up to this resistance point at $2.63, curve around, essentially rejecting the resistance point, and then come back down and check and retest, that initial low that took effect here. That's where candles held on Friday after the big liquidation event. Now, similar to Bitcoin, you can see large drop followed by the retest that comes into play. Now you can see I've marked out the 618 fib level at 116,700. We haven't got close to that point just yet, but you can see price is already starting to round out. And I'm expecting price to come back and at least test this low where price held previously at the end of the US session. Take note of this. This is what I'm watching for at the moment. This here is a trading strategy. Again, I've been using this for years, and it's something I just spoke about on my live call earlier tonight when I go through and look at the market and what I think is potentially may happen or may not happen. But I go through that and check my charts, set all my alerts, and now I just wait for those alerts to go off. Once those alerts go off, I'll go back, look at the charts, and look at some trades. And that's the big misconception with trading as well, is people are always saying you've got to be on the computer 24/7. You really don't. You've just got to learn how to analyze the market, set things up the way it suits your lifestyle, and that's what I do every Monday. Catch you in the Empire for more info.